That's all. Can I burp on command? I guess not. Just kidding. Excuse me. Stuck.
Ew, what the fuck?
I want to see if these people can hear me. So I guess the guy who used to live here is intoxicated and is trying to break into my apartment. So I'm gonna scare him with my burps. That was pretty scary, but I think we can do better. I feel like that one kid off of Shrek. He's like, do the roar. I guess I will just keep you guys updated and see if this guy breaks into my apartment.
Well, I'm going to be visiting a client out in California here in the coming weeks, and I'm also visiting.
I've been wearing these socks for 3 days straight. You can literally see how used they are. I've had this bag for like 5 months. I don't even know where it came from. I cannot even smell that. Ouch. Is there Uber here?
There's no way that's good. There, I'm gonna kill my.
Ayo, we're walking. It's like fucking tequila. Totally an angel. That was so awkward. I hope they can hear me burp. But you're gonna sound a little crazy, but. I'm literally at my birthday dinner. My favorite thing to do is come into a public restroom where everyone can hear what's happening inside, burp super loud, and then just walk out like nothing happened.
That's perfect. They just left. They just left.
The next time I'm at karaoke, I'm gonna be singing this.
Maybe lock them doors.
Excuse me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Okay, there's one. There's one. Oh man.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, E, Q.
There's one. I know.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
I'm about to go out on a date and I started burping and now I have to get my last burps out. Oh man.